No. I can't come play golf with you today. It's out of the question. You know that next week's the rugby, and I want my BRAAI looking good. What do you mean? No, I'm not buying a new one. I'm going to be doing this one of mine with Durham's BRAAI paint. Can you believe it? Yeah, wait and see. Just check out my next video. So Durham BRAAI paint is a self-etching primer and heat-resistant paint that withstands 450 degrees Celsius. And it's not only for BRAAIs, it can be used on chimneys, weathered fireplaces and screens. And this product has excellent adhesion and flexibility. The Durham BRAAI paint is also available in 500 mils and 1 liters. So this is the BRAAI that needs some TLC, and we need a few things to get the perfect finish. So some Sugarsoap and a scrubbing brush to degrease it, some sandpaper to sand away the rusted areas, thinners and mutton cloth to wipe it down after sanding, decent Hamilton's Fibreglass brushes, the Durham BRAAI paint, and most importantly a drop sheet. So we're getting it nice and clean using a Power Fix's ready mixed sugar soap. It's in a bottle. You just spray in with some water, give it a good scrub. We got it nice and generally clean. Once I've given the whole BRAAI a scrub, and I was scrubbing underneath here, and I noticed a lot of the paint and rusted particles were coming off the BRAAI. So I decided to use my specialist scraper. I love this multi-purpose tool, Hamilton's multi-purpose tool scraper, can opener, etc. I got off all that excessive rusted spots, and quite a lot came off, especially underneath the BRAAI. Okay, other than scraping it with the scraper, I gave it a good 100 grit sand, especially in the areas that were very rusted, just to get all of that just surface rust off. And then once done, a little bit of a break. It's hard work, you know. And then I wiped it down with some thinners, lacquer thinners, and some mutton cloth to get the rest of the BRAAI absolutely spotlessly clean. Once I'd wiped it down with thinners, we were now ready to apply the BRAAI paint. And please, most important, use a decent stirrer like this Hamilton's paint stirrer to stir your BRAAI paint. And now I'm using Hamilton's Fibreglass brushes. I love the brush. It's really rugged and it's a tough brush, and it's ideal for the application of Durham's BRAAI paint. These brushes are known for their durability, so I definitely wouldn't want to use any other brush other than Hamilton's Specialist Fibreglass brush. Spread rate on the BRAAI paint is 8 to 10 square meters per liter per coat, and always 2 coats is recommended. And the spread rate is also dependent on the surface conditions. And hey, the drop sheet is very important. I used a 100 micron 2x5 this time instead of your cheaper 2x3, because you're definitely going to get spills and splatters when painting your BRAAI. I definitely have no problem now inviting the guys over for a BRAAI. Yes, with Hamilton's Fibreglass brushes, Durham's BRAAI paint, you're definitely going to get the perfect finish. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, would you please like and subscribe to our channel? We'd really appreciate it. That's it from me, Bernie B, and Hamilton's.